Hey guys, how you doing? I finally got my truck back from being the transmission fixed, and I'm going to miss that Jeep. I just got to go back this Friday, which is the 10th. I had to bring that back for a leak, so it's fine. Look, the cats are checking it out. Hi guys, today I'm going to try to work on my thermostat, my truck. Replace the thermostat. It's stuck open because I know it's not cooling. The gauge is down. The fans are running too high. I just got it back from doing a transmission rebuilt, and now I got a thermostat problem. So we'll do the thermostat. So the first thing, I have to take this off by disconnecting this hose here, and then undo this because the thermostat's underneath that. And then I got my helper.
What's going on?
Did you have your monster drink?
I'm messed up. No, that monster drink's gone.
Oh, you got your McDonald's
drink now.
So he's going to assist me by doing something. I don't know.
I'm here to mess it up. That's what I'm here for.
Okay, so now I got this removed by removing that hose and that clamp from here, just like somebody told me to do. Now we're going to take these bolts out, but take these hoses. They say you're going to lose water or antifreeze, so I got new bottle. Okay, now we got the old one out. He's still holding the hose so it don't leak too much of antifreeze. And I got the other hose laying over there. Now we put the new piece in like that. How come it doesn't seem like it wants to fit tight?
Well, once you drill it, put the screws back in.
Okay, another short video of me. I got the new pump in, new thermostat. I just filled the thing up, reservoir back with the antifreeze. I should put that back before I start it.
Just in case.
Okay, let's put that back before I start it. I changed the thermostat because the fan is doing that. That's what I thought. It's blowing cold air as soon as you first start on it. So I changed the thermostat because that's what I thought it was doing. It doesn't look like I use the thermostat because also when they come back here, the temperature gauge not raising up. I turn the heater on, the heater works, but I don't have AC at all. And then if I turn on that normal, still blowing hot air. Yeah, see? I got a lot of problems with the truck. So it's been running again for about almost 20 minutes and the temperature gauge still low. And turn the car off. Still be running. Car's off and it's still running, supposedly to cool off everything. Ever since I got my transmission fixed, I have a problem. See how long it took. Last time it took like 5 minutes before it shuts off. And I was going to disconnect the battery. And by the time I get that, it shut it off. So any other guys have any problems with this? No, comment. Okay guys, I read something else. They told me to disconnect the battery for about 15-20 minutes. I did that, and now it's quiet. No fans are running. No fans are running, and then I'm coming over here, and I see the temperature gauge is going up. So now I'm going to wait and to see if the fans come back on. So I fixed my truck yesterday. Not leaking. The fans are quiet. By disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes. I drove around today. It seems to be okay. So that's what you need to do. Alright, thanks for watching.